Welcome back to another video behind my fans. Please like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please turn the bell on for notification videos come out. Today, we are going to play Hidden Spot Blood today. Alright, pick, pinch, or long click the image to zoom in and out. Alright, these are the we find, so we find this one. That one looks like it's right there. This one's more difficult to find. There. Okay. This one looks like it's right there. This one has to be right here. This one, that's gotta be right there. Duh. That's gotta be right there. This one, ooh. That one could be right here. Or it could be this one. This one. This.
There were geese outside, babies as well.
Hmm.
Yeah, I had to go to wrong way straight just to avoid them because it's against the law. It's against the law to do that. Run them over.
Yep.
I had to break one rule to keep a dozen of them safe. Where did you go?
Walmart.
Walmart?
Yep. This is the new sheet I got. It's like purple, so it's.
Right?
Yep.
still watching? No, I'll find something else. I'll watch this. Maybe.
I'm afraid he might take you away from me.
Then nobody's take.
Yeah, let me test this out. That's right, you need. Midnight Club 3. Oh god, I can't. Oh damn! I got like the best games. Somebody may have not deleted their memory card.
Wow. That's not good.
Not for them, but for me.
Yeah. For you is good.
That's a blessing in disguise. It means I can. Wait, they had San Andreas, Burnout 3, Need for Speed, Road. Okay. I'll get rid of this game because I kind of don't have any reason. Need for Speed. Eat it. Eat it now. Is there a way oh, there is. The last game to use render rare. Yeah. Keegan when Cody annoys him for the last time. Guys, my brother's friend always does that stuff. He's like, he makes his angry expression. You know what? I'm gonna send him this picture.
getting shouted at, huh?
Okay.
Put bullets in your guns in the hopes that maybe you can. You joined the
Well,
army to get rich.
let's see.
Not
Here we
exactly,
go.
but your daddy came here from DR. We didn't have a lot of opportunity.
Right there.
What else was I supposed to do? Why did you join?
Looks like that could be right
Get rich.
here. Is that right?
Hey, chill.
No,
Relax,
no.
take it easy.
That could be right
Look,
there.
there are
It
plenty of
is.
opportunities for a man who knows
This
the game
one
to make
looks like
real
it
money.
could be over here. It is right there. This one has to be right here.
Everybody wants to relax. No trouble.
Again.
There's plenty of
That
money.
one's like, oh, this one. This one is that one.
Listen, I don't think this is for me.
Or is it this one? Yeah. This one has to be
Relax, huh? Come on.
that.
I need a favor. No risk. So why do you need me if there's no risk? Because I gotta
This
take
one is that one.
registration. Besides,
That
we're
one
not on duty for a couple of
is probably, I
Take
don't
my
know.
bike, go over to the airport, and you pick up a package for me, huh? Okay, just this one favor. That's it. Good.
Yeah, I played this intro before.
Listen, if plans change, I'll let you know. What's this? It's a pager. Tough guy. Welcome to the 80s, Vic.
Hold on, no.
I think looks like it could be right there. And it is. This one, that looks like it. Alright, that's all I got. See? We'll see you guys next time with more of this. Sorry, next episode, folks.